What is that?
Lipstick.
Wow. What is the flavors? Oh, you choose one by one. Don't open all, okay? Use one by one. If you're done for the other, what is your favorite there?
It's the pink one.
Pink?
Yeah.
What is the flavor? It smells like
cinnamon.
wow.
Nana said it smells
It's
like cinnamon.
oh yeah. Can I smell too? Oh yeah, it smells like donut.
Oh,
Like cinnamon donut. How about the other one? This one. You smell and what is the flavor?
Okay. This smells like strawberry.
Let me check. Oh yes, smell like strawberry. How about the other one, last one? What is your favorite then? No, this one, the yellow one. You already smell that. That is the cinnamon. Is it?
Um,
Is it the?
cinnamon donut.
Oh yeah, no, the other one. The this one is strawberry. Then the yellow one is cinnamon. How about the blue one? To smell like?
Cinnamon donut.
Yeah, it's almost same. So what is your favorite then? Which one are you going to use first? The one that you open it. Oh, that one? Okay.
Yeah,
And then this one you have to keep it. After you finish that, okay, you use one by one.
yeah, because I only have one lip.
Yes. So that your lips won't be dry. Isn't it?
Yeah, I want to try something else.
What else? Where are you going?
Wait.
Oh, what is that?
Bubble.
Bubbles. Wow. Who give you that one?
Yeah.
Not me. It's Tita She.
Oops. I have to wipe this first after
Okay.
it drips a lot.
You have to wipe it first.
Okay, I just leave it like
Who give you that one?
Tita Chef.
Oh, what you will tell to Tita She?
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita She.
Thank you. We'll send it to Tita Chef.
Who's Tita She? Ninang of?
Ninang Kyla.
No, it's Zaijan. Ninang of Zaijan.
Just one
Wow.
bubble.
Just one bubble.